Hello everyone, this is Gopal, your friend, and welcome in my YouTube channel, The English Guru. Today I am going to talk about 3D rule. By using this 3D rule, you can be successful in your life. I will tell you that how can you be successful in your life by using 3D rule. So the first D meaning dreams. So once it is asked in a classroom that what is dream, so the most of the students replied that sir, dream are those whose comes at night while sleeping. But let me change the definition, my dear friend. Dreams are not those which comes at night while sleeping. Dreams are those which don't let you sleep at night. So there are so many good examples in our society around us who have dreamed and materialized their dreams as well. Whether we talk about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dhirubhai Ambani, or so many people who have dreamed and materialized their dreams. So if I talk about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when he was child, when he was very young, he used to distribute newspaper door to door, and everyone he would say to everyone that one day I'll become the great scientist of India. But everyone used to laugh at him. But he didn't listen to them. He believed in his dreams and as well as God. And after struggling a lot, eventually not only he became the great scientist of India, but also he became the president of India. It is said also in Hindi that मंजिलें उन्हें मिलती जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. So don't dread to dream. You need to you need, dare to dream. You should dream. And the second D means determination. Determination is very important because it is also said in Hindi. सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, चलना भी जरूरी होता है मंजिल को पाने के लिए. So many people dreams, and they think that automatically we will be successful by dreaming only, but nothing is going to happen like that, my dear friend. For getting success, for achieving your goal, you need to be determined. You need to work hard. You should have an attitude of never give up. If you think that by dreaming only everything can be achieved, it is not like that. We should have attitude of never give up. There are so many people who dreams, and whenever they face any difficulties they give up. They just don't want to come out of comfort zone. So determination is also important for getting those things which you want to bring in your life. So I heard a story of Abraham Lincoln. It was very heart touching story. When he was young, his parents passed away. He was on that time he was only 7 or 8 years old when his parents passed away. But he wanted to become the president of America. And once he went to fortune teller and asked that whether I'll be able to become the president of America or not. So the fortune teller replied him, no, there isn't any line on your palm there which can make you the president of India, president of America. So he said to himself that मत कर विश्वास इन हाथों की लकीरों पर, क्योंकि किस्मत तो उनकी भी होती है जिनके हाथ नहीं होते. He started working in a hotel. He started doing job. While doing job, he used to do study under a street light. He studied a lot. He worked hard. He took initiative towards his dream, towards his study, and he used to do a lot of struggle. And in the age of 26, he had a girlfriend who passed away. He went in a depression, but it took 3 years for recovering him. After that, he participated in many elections, but he loses. Whenever he participates, he loses every time. But eventually, he became the president of America in the age of 52, and he has set a goal. He has set a benchmark that every if he can do that, every can achieve his goal. It is the best example of determination. And the third D is do or die attitude. My father always says that for getting anything, you need to pay something, you need to give something. You need to be very passionate about your dream. You need to be very enthusiastic towards your towards your goal. uh, One of my I always use a dialogue which is my favorite, and whenever I feel demotivated, I use this dialogue that इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने तुम्हें मुझसे मिलाने की साजिश की है. That means you need to be very passionate about your dream. You need to do hard work. There should be an attitude that I will get it anyhow condition. If you think like that, trust me, you can get anything in your life. And these are the 3D rules. So if you liked my video, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And I'm thankful for my all the viewer who have appreciated me. And if you want to give any kind of suggestion to my to my video, you can give me. And if you want to listen me on any topic, so you can also suggest me on my comment box. Thank you so much.